Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am discussing some sentences related to spoiled food. First sentence, the milk has expired. This means the milk is spoiled and we should not drink it. Second sentence, the egg is rotten. This means the egg is bad and not safe to eat. Third sentence, the bananas are rotten. This means the bananas have gone bad. Fourth sentence, the cheese is moldy. This means the cheese is bad. We should not eat it. Fifth sentence, the oil is rancid. The oil is bad. We should not use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment and share.